A stormy week across the nation means the Ohio Valley needs to brace for a deluge. The atmospheric river heading our way will bring heavy rain and high winds, with a sharp temperature drop. And that's not all, snow's heading for the northern states too. We'll break down this wild weather ahead. Good morning. Let's start with a look at the weather across the country. It's a wet few days ahead for the Pacific Northwest, as an atmospheric river dumps heavy rain on Washington and Oregon. The deluge today is just the start, with more wet weather expected through the week. This system's also bringing snow to the northern Rockies, and Wyoming in particular will see some significant powder. Further east, a clipper system's heading towards the upper Midwest and Great Lakes, and that's going to bring some snow and high winds today into tomorrow. It's going to be cold further south, too, with temperatures into the teens in North Carolina this morning. That cold snap could break some long-standing records further north. Now, looking ahead to the weekend, it's a chilly forecast for the northern states. The northern plains and upper Midwest should brace for cold snaps that could cause some travel hazards. A big trough of low pressure will dominate the central and eastern states, while the West Coast and Rockies remain dry and mild. That pattern's sticking around through the weekend too, so it's a tale of two countries. We're also seeing high wildfire risk today across many states after almost 5 million acres have been burned this season. Fire warnings are in place, so take care if you're in those areas. Let's now turn our attention to the extended forecast. We've got an active few days ahead as that trough of low pressure moves through. We're expecting some strong clipper systems to bring wind and snow to the northern plains and upper Midwest. The further east you go, the less impact we'll see, but it's going to be windy and cold in the north. There'll also be some lake effect snow around the Great Lakes, so travel disruptions are likely there. The other big feature is a blast of Arctic air that'll move into the northern plains and upper Midwest on Saturday. That's going to bring some very cold temperatures. We're talking well below normal for this time of year. It'll be a hazardous few days for anyone exposed to the elements, so make sure you're prepared if you're heading out. Hat, scarf, the works. Now, the West Coast and the Rockies will stay relatively dry and settled over this period. So if you're planning some outdoor activities there, that's looking good. In the Ohio Valley region, we've got a cloudier day ahead with some rain on the way. Chicago and Illinois have got breezy conditions and some rain later on. The wind will pick up across the state, so it'll feel even cooler than the temperatures suggest. Indianapolis and Indiana are looking at clouds thickening through the day, with rain moving in overnight. Louisville and Lexington in Kentucky are mostly sunny for now, but that rain's coming for both cities after dark. It's a mix of conditions across Ohio, with some snow flurries in Cleveland and Cincinnati warming into the low 40 seconds. Columbus is cloudy and cool, while Cincinnati's got some rain after midnight. Pennsylvania's seeing some cloud and a chance of snow and rain later tonight down in Tennessee. It's a partly sunny day, but Nashville's 50 degrees look like a high for the region. Memphis and Knoxville are cooler, and the clouds are coming overnight for all three cities. That's your forecast for today from Weatherby. Stay weather aware and have a great day.